So I'm going to take this bird and turn it into an evil, scary bird. And I'm going to do that by painting it black. And then after I paint it black, I'm going to add some bones on it and some long black feathers and maybe have it standing on a leg instead, or a foot or an arm. There's my son. Quiet. So here is my bird. I spray painted him with black spray paint. Yeah. He needs another coat. As you can see, when I exposed up the exposure, you can see a little bit of his color. Sorry, my dog is playing with a rock. And I'm going to give him another coat in a little bit after it dries, and he'll be a little black bird. So for my bird here, he was done drying. I glued on feathers on his tail and his head and his chest. And now I'm out here spray painting the white glue, as you can see right here, the fabric glue that I used with my glue gun. And gonna let him dry. I'm gonna put some blacklight reactive yellow paint on his bill. I was gonna do it bone color, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna paint his eyes red and put blacklight reactive paint on the red eyes, and we'll hang him up and see what he looks like. I think he looks 100 times better as a little blackbird than a talking parrot. That's just me. Oh, and I'm gonna turn these red with blood. And I want to put a bloody eyeball in his beak. We'll see how much time I have. Last minute prop. Okay, so I gave him beady red eyes. Give him a little blood on his beak. This is the invisible glow paint. It goes on invisible and then it shines red. So we'll let him dry before I put that on. So here's my bird. I really want to put an eyeball in his mouth, but I'm running out of time. Don't know if I'll be able to. This invisible paint will dry clear, so don't worry about that looking all funky like that. I just got to get ready for the haunt, and I will try to do video for you of him in the haunt in our cage so you can see him. He looks 100 times better than what he did in the beginning, and I had to switch cameras in between the filming of this because my son broke my good camera. Anyways, he says he didn't break it. I'll give him that. He says he didn't break it, that it just broke. All right, happy haunting, my friends, and we'll see you later. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Boo.